We can also turn this sub-recipe into a preparation item. However, this action is irreversible, so let's explain it first. Sub-recipe is essentially a short-term batch, like sliced tomato for hamburger, while preparation is a long-term batch that is tracked in the system, like hamburger patties that are made in advance and frozen. The key difference derives from the depletion of the items involved in the recipe. So for sub-recipes, the ingredients are going to be depleted in function of your sales. Let me give you an example. Your recipe includes 10 grams of olive oil. When you log a sale, those 10 grams and all the ingredients involved with the sub-recipe will be depleted from your inventory. On the other hand, for preparations, you need to run a production event every time you make it. This is exactly how you will be able to track its inventory. Let me illustrate this with another example. 1 liter of Alfredo sauce contains 1 liter cream, 250 grams garlic, and 100 grams onion. So when we run the production event, all those ingredients will deplete from the on-hand level. Then, as we log a sale, the Alfredo sauce will relatively deplete as a whole prep rather than in the ingredients level. Based on this, we suggest you start with sub-recipes. Once you get comfortable with how the depletion works, you can better decide how you want to manage and track your batches.